American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. And we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. We bought a lot of classic cars here and had to fix a lot of problems. Classic cars can be your biggest money pit or your best investment. This is an X33 69 Z28. You can tell it's a real Z28 by the X33 D80 on the hood. D80 actually means cowl induction hood, which this does have. Does have beautiful stripes that actually are way under the clear coat. You can barely even feel them. And just really just a stunning front end with new chrome, a very nice newer grille. Under the hood is really the important thing. A real DZ302 engine. It is a replacement block that actually has the double hump heads, has the chrome fin valve covers, deep groove pulleys, does have power steering and power disc brakes, and it does have the Delco battery top. The body lines on this car are exquisite. The doors, the hood fit. We have tall cap rally rims with BFG white letter tires that really set it off nicely. The interior is the correct dark blue interior with the blue dash, center console, and gauges. A lot of the Z28s don't have the center console. This one does. Gorgeous bottoms of the doors were very nice with great pinch welds. Back bumper has been redone as well as the bumperettes, and again the stripes are way under the clear coat. Body lines on this side are equally as nice. The undercarriage, if you have not seen it in our pictures, you need to take a look at it because it's gorgeous. The dash is very, very nice with crisp instrumentation. No cracks on the center console like a lot of them have. Newer carpet, which is great. And now for my favorite part. Gotta love that. At American Dream Machines, we do muscle cars. We specialize in Camaros and Chevrolets and GTOs. This is one of the nicest Z28s we've ever had. It has gorgeous metal structure. You can go to our website at admcars.com or americandreammachines.com, or please come see us in person and test drive this beauty. I remember when I was a kid, hanging down at the Loop, snuck out of the house way past my bedtime, and I saw a jet black 1967 Street Beast. Red Stinger hood, red guts. That car peeled out around all four corners of that hood. All I could say is, damn. And that's why I started American Dream Machines. Welcome to American Dream Machines. Everybody wants a piece of the American dream. American Dream Machines is rock and roll and beautiful cars. It was Hendrix, Born to be Wild, and Heavy Metal Thunder. These were the designs of Harley Earl, a masterpiece grille. These are the cars that people dreamed about in the 50s, and they still dream about them today. True works of art on four wheels. Welcome to Car Heaven. The quality of our cars every year gets better and better, and this 4,000 square foot studio tells no lies. American Dream Machines was inspired by the fire-breathing big block designs of Duntop and Bill Mitchell. These were the baddest cars in 1967. It's not all about the numbers. If we can get 500, 600, 700 horsepower in one of these street beasts, it's a whole lot of fun. At American Dream Machines, we've purchased thousands of cars over the years, and we've learned the hard way. We had to fix them. Our mechanics and restoration staff here are the dream team, and they get 200 cars a year ready for our customers.
Yes, I love that.
American Dream Machines opened our doors in 2003. We've sold thousands of cars all over the country and all over the world. We have beautiful cars here, and you should own them. So you want to drive the Buick in the back? Just living the dream.